Hey guys, so we're going to be looking at Monsta X's 2018 season greeting. I'm not sure if you can see like the little 1/8s that are on here. They have like little gloss ones on this little mat. And you can kind of see it a little bit. But same style as their last year, which I love. And it tells you here what's going to be in it. It says desk calendar, a scheduler, magnet set, a mini stand, mini calendar, and a making of DVD. Alright, so I'm going to put everything out. Ooh, geez. Tripod down. Alright. Pull like everything out. So on the bottom, I'll show you. There's like a little cubby spots for your stuff and then everything stacks on top. You can tell from the weight, per usual, it buckles. So I just need to bend that again. Alright, so we'll start with what was on the very bottom, which is probably the scheduler. Yeah. So these were the symbols they had on the cover. So let's see, looks like we got 2018 and 19. Some beautiful pictures. This reminds me a little bit of the location from the Clan album. Alright, I have a feeling we're just going to have a bunch of pictures of, yeah, the different months, month view, other beautiful pictures. I do like this location though. More days and months. Oh, I am. Now it looks like we have, it was probably weekly. Trying to figure out how the week works. Oh, it's like here it is. Alright. I was like, that's a weird setup. Okay, and after the weekly, we get some more beautiful photos. And then looks like just some empty blank white pages for notes. That's some blue hair, man. It's beautiful. I like the Jack Frost look best though. Then we got some lined memo paper. And then grid paper. And then some last photos. Then you can put some personal info. Looks like your name, email, and mobile. Alright. Oh, it doesn't want to fit back in here. It's like nothing is folded properly. There. It'll probably pop out, but next to it in the small areas, this little thing. Ugh. Let's see what we got. If I can open it without ripping it. Ooh. Okay. It's like little mini Monsta X calendar cards. Okay. It looks like a pocket calendar. And then here's all the standy, bookmarky, magnety stuff. Oop, one of my magnets already fell out. So here's the stand. Oh, it goes this way. Oh no, you gotta fold it so it'll stand. I can't even figure out how to hold it. Stand. And then one of my magnets fell out. Who fell out? Juhyun. Gingerly put you back in. So they all kind of have their own little different shapes. And I love this. I might definitely end up using this because I'm looking to make a magnet board for my craft room. So these will be cute to have on the board. And IM's got blue, my favorite color. Well, technically it's mint right now, but I'll take it. That's cute though. Okay, and then we've got, what's this? The making of DVD. Looks like they got two. Oh, this is nice though. Okay, look, it's so cute. And then, ooh, the desk calendar. I think I might definitely use this because I used my BTS one from last year. I liked the standing style. Oh, ooh, what's this? It's like you just get a card that they all signed. Kind of has your global calendar holidays on the other side. The United States got like no holidays. You go to Japan, look at all the holidays they get. Get off work so much. And then you get little stickers, circles and stars. I guess it could be like almost like birthdays or important days, things like that. And then the actual calendar. Flip one way, flip it over, and flip the other way. Just because I know it's not all going to fit in frame. Oh, let's see, where's IM's birthday? He's in January 26th. Oh, Shunu's birthday is in my month too. Mun baby's birthday. That one is rainbow cake. I love watching, I don't know what it is. I love watching videos when they're all taking care of IM, feeding him, doing whatever brotherly love stuff. I love it. I think Monsta X, I watch the most fan-made videos of them. Okay. Ugh. Other side, I just destroyed my setup. Alright, so here we have the other side. Alright. Definitely going to be probably using this one this year. And there is all of it. It's the entire Monsta X season greeting. A little bit different than last year's. Oh, jeez, there we go. Because I know last year they had photo cards and everything. I'm glad that they some groups have been steering away from photo cards and things for the season greetings because they only make so many, which makes them so expensive to try and collect. But I love the blue color, love the group. Photos are really, really nice. I'm kind of excited to watch the DVD to kind of see more behind the scenes because the location was beautiful for the outdoor ones. For the scheduler, those are beautiful. But anyway, so there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the Monsta X's 2018 season greeting. This is, I believe, the last one that I have. The last few that I got, the NCT one and then this one. I don't believe I ordered any more. So let me know what your favorite season greeting is. Mine's the BTS one because it seemed so, everything in it seemed so useful and things like that. I don't really use these schedules. I have my own, but I loved the desk calendar, so I'm definitely going to be using that one this year. But yep, I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and share if you like, and until the next video. Bye, guys.